Here's a quick look at the market for Thursday, March 19th, 2009. This is a truncated synopsis of the market that our members receive. It's the members' video is usually around 15 or 20 minutes. This one is usually around 5 minutes. So just give you a quick look at the way we were looking at the market today and the trades that we had. Starting off here on our overnight session, we can see that here's the overnight profile and volume profile. As we usually start from, here's yesterday's big day up after the FOMC announcement, and you can see that overnight the market matched the previous day's high, actually took it out by just a tick or two, and then today we did not take out the overnight high, we just matched or took out the previous day's high by a couple of ticks, and then more or less sold off the rest of the day, had a fairly weak close. And so it's come down to a support area that we were anticipating in around the 777 to 779 area, and really the condition of the market has not changed. We still believe it's in an up mode, an up auction, and we're looking at some support just below the market where it's trading right now. If it should show some degree of selling strength, then the next support area would be down around the 767 area. We can see here's the individual daily profiles, and you can see that a day that was mostly controlled by selling really did not send the value any lower. As a matter of fact, it just maintained in this upper value area. So the market is still pretty darn bullish. In other words, rather than we basically had two values yesterday, and you can see that today's was in here. So mostly trading closer to the upper portion from yesterday, just a slight downward motion, but certainly well above the lower value area from the previous day, and a day too that did not attract very much volume on this sell-off. So another reason why we're thinking that it's likely to continue upward after. It may probe lower, but for the time being we're still in the up mode until we can really accept price below 779 and then 770 would be the next level of support. We had some trades here today. Our first deceleration bar came in right here, and so we're able to get short to participate in a 3-point down move here. The second trade that we had was after the market had probed below this low, and so we're able to get short on a bit of a pullback as it rallied up, and this trade also moved in our favor 3 points, and then it came back and in a similar fashion made 1 point on our final partial after hitting our first two objectives. So both of those trades were nice and profitable. We got long here. It did move a point in our favor, so we ended up with a break even as it pulled lower at that point. Then we had a final test and a final trade here on this test in this area of the low of the day, and this one moved up nicely 4 points in our favor, so hitting our first two objectives, and also profitable on the final partial position on that trade. So we ended up with 4 trades today: 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And so it was a nice day. This number 3 trade was break even, and all the other ones were very profitable, nicely profitable. So not as profitable a day as yesterday, but just the same. I think we were up a little over 12 points today. So a nice day for trading. If you've got any questions, comments, anything you'd like to bring to our attention, please do so at we're located right here, obviously, at eMiniDayTrader.com, and so you can see us on the website here, eMiniDayTrader.com, or just pop us an email at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. We'd love to hear from you and see what you've got to say. If you've got any comments or questions, I'd be happy to answer them. So that'll be a quick look at the market for Thursday, March the 19th, 2009. Sort of a shortened version of our members video, which is usually about 20 minutes long. Thank you.